Hi, I'm Sandra DeLeo and welcome to this review of Email Titan. Before I get started, I want to remind you to please subscribe before you leave so that you can see more reviews like this coming up. Right, so the launch starts at 11 a.m. Eastern Time on Monday, the 25th of January, and it ends at midnight on the 29th of January. During this review, I'm going to show you through this page first, and then I'm going to take you inside the sales page, and then we're going to look inside the members area. So Email Titans, and there's a clock ticking. So remember the launch dates because the prices you see in this review are available until the launch ends. And if you want to buy through this page, you're going to click on the greeny blue bars here. So what is Email Titans all about? It's all about creating unique, enticing emails that your customers can't resist opening every time they see your name hit their inbox. Email Titans is a brand new email marketing video course from Russ Parry and Jake Galbraith from the Ministry of Freedom. These two experienced marketers have combined their expertise and developed this product to bring you their own tips and tricks and show you how they make money online with email marketing. Why invest in this product? Well, if you're a newbie, it's perfect for you. You can learn how to use autoresponders using email swipes, learn how to be your unique, authentic self, make headings that prospects can't resist, learn the negative positive concept, and get more unique bonuses once you're inside the members area. There's also a 30-day money back guarantee on this product, but don't let that be a reason to invest because you're not going to get your money back because you're buying it so that you can learn all about email marketing from these two marketers. Right, launch prices and one-time offers are starting with the front end is Email Titans comes in at $9.95. With that, you get access to the Email Titans members area and the training modules. The exclusive bonuses from the vendors are available in the members area. First one-time offer is Email Legend Training. So that's extra training, $14.95. Extra training on constructing your autoresponder and autoresponder sequence and list building. And the next upsell is $67. And for $67, you get reseller rights. So you get to sell this product as your own and earn 100% of the commissions across the funnel. So if you have any potential buyers, you have an email list of people who might want to buy this product, then that's a good product for you. Now let's check out the bonuses I have to offer you. So not only are you getting an excellent deal on this product when you buy during launch week, but I've multiplied the value by adding in these extra bonuses below. All you have to do to get these bonuses when you've decided you want to buy this product is click on the green blue bars and that will take you through to the sales page. Right, first bonus lined up for you is how to build a targeted buyers list. In this video tutorial, a well-known super affiliate will show you how to set up an opt-in page, also known as a squeeze page. It's always good to see how the top ranking marketers put out their promotions and what styles that they apply. You'll be surprised to see how this seven-figure affiliate really keeps it simple. The next bonus tutorial I have for you is a complete training course presented by Pallab Gosal. Those of you who know him or have seen any of his trainings will know how well he presents the concepts and the practical lessons. This course is generated towards the Make Money Online niche. And in this course, you can find out how leading affiliate you're going to learn about the leading affiliate platforms for the Make Money Online niche, and that's JVZoo and Warrior Plus. If you're just starting out in this niche, this will be a really good benefit for you. The final bonus that I have for you is how to make your own GIF files. So there's a module in the Email Titan that goes into the power of videos in email campaigns. So this bonus will show you where to find a free GIF maker that you can make your own unique GIF files to support your own unique email marketing campaigns. Right, so let's just move on over. I want to take you for a peek now inside the sales page. And here we are inside the sales page, and this is the income proof. It's always nice to see income proof from the people who are trying to sell you the product. So there you have it. The next thing that's also nice to see is testimonials from other marketers, because there's always beta testers that go through the product to give an honest review. So here you have from Will Stevens and Wasim Stephen. They are giving testimonials on this product, and I can guarantee the authenticity of these gentlemen. They are email marketers. Sorry, they are affiliate marketers. Let me move on, and now I'm going to go over and we're going to have a look inside the course. Right, so here we are inside the members area. Welcome to Email Titans. And here, hiding behind this Father Christmas wig, oh, sorry, here hiding behind this natural hair, blonde wig and one eyebrow is, you can have a guess. Right, so this is the introduction video, and moving on, here you have option to register for a free 10,000 a month training. So that's extra training in here. And then we have the modules. So if we slip through the modules here, they're all short videos, not too extensive and very interesting, presented by this gentleman who will be Jake. And the first is the overview. The next is the autoresponders. And then the next one is delivery testing. And then we have avoiding spam, very important. And then we have the lowdown, be yourself. You are unique. Jake teaches you how to be your authentic self, just in case you think you have to try and be a movie star. He's going to put you right on that. Right, when to send your emails, tell a story. That's a style that you can use. There's the negative to positive techniques. There's a promo code booster, creating urgency, a minimalistic mail, and make an extra offer. Share your day using, can you see how packed this is, using email swipes, and the conclusion here. And then going down to the bottom, your extra bonuses here. I'm not going to open that. I'll leave that for you. That's a nice surprise. Then you've got email swipes, and then you have additional resources. And if you want to upgrade to the next OTO, you can upgrade from within the members area. What I will give you a peep of is the additional resources over here, and included in your purchase you will get spam words to avoid, check your email, how to check your email delivery system, Urgency Suites Pro, which is another excellent course about creating urgency, and a a free trial to GetResponder, and a free trial to Aweber, both autoresponders. Those are the top two autoresponders. Then I will take you for a peep inside here. The email swipes, also worth grabbing. So here's a set of email swipes ready-made for you. So new subscriber swipe set, buyer subscriber swipe set, and unresponsive list swipe set. Now, if you don't have much experience, you don't know how to set these up. So the guys that do have the experience have set these up for you, and these are great to grab. So you've really got some value added in this front end. So there we are. It's up to you to decide if you want to purchase this. And moving back, we will go to over here again, just to remind you now how you're going to get through if you've decided you want to pick up these bonuses. So my bonus is how to build a targeted buyers list and create an opt-in page, the complete affiliate marketing course, and where to go and find a free gift maker. Right, so this is a blue bar that you would click on to go through to the sales page, which takes you to the next step to go and buy the product. But getting to this page, all you need to do is look down at the bottom of this video, and can you see where it says grab Email Titans here? Click on there and it will bring you through to this page. Take your time, go through the bonuses here, move on through by clicking on this bar through to the sales page and pay for the product. So for now, I'm going to say, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please remember before you go to, I think it might be over here actually, to click on the subscribe button. And for now, I'll say all the best and I'll see you in the next review.